Hey, what's up? Hello people, hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about this steering damper. This is for Kukirin G3 Pro or the rebranded Ausom Gallop, or maybe for some scooters who has the same steering damper. So this is just a quick video tutorial for those who are having problem with their steering damper, for not having the same amount of steering. So first I'm gonna show you how I perfectly install it. So I mount it just the same as what the other people's did. So but the thing is, as you can notice, the rod, it doesn't have equal amount of length. So please guys, don't ever focus on this length of this rod. And what do people usually do, why they have issues with their steerings? Because they put the wheels center and install these dampeners and make sure that this rod has the same amount of length, but it's wrong guys. It's completely wrong. So what I did is, because when I first installed this, I was wrong, same as you guys. So what I did is, I loosened this clamp and pay very close attention to this both ends of this dampener's rod, and steer to the left, like for example like this, and then steer to the right, and then so on, so that you can get the exact amount of steering. So as you can see, the length of the rod, just like that. Sorry, it's not auto focusing. And when I steer it to the right, it has the same amount of length left in the dampener's rod. It doesn't matter if I put the wheels straight. It doesn't matter if it doesn't have equal length. The most important thing is if you steer it right or left, that it has the same amount of gap, or I could say length. See, it was equal amount of length. So right now I steer it to the left. As you can see, this swing arm right here, see the gap? And if I steer it to the right, see, it has the same amount of gap. So I have a perfect steering. Okay, so this is how I did it guys, and hopefully this video helps a lot of people, not just for those who are Kukirin G3 Pro or Ausom Gallop riders, but for those who have I think the same scooter, or maybe different brands that has the same steering dampers. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share this video, and thank you guys. Bye bye.